fashion curator Ebony, keeping you updated with spiffy looks and catering to all things fashion lifestyle. So as you can see, it is a completely different setup, and that's because today we are locked in. We're gonna get this workout in because a part of your lifestyle needs is your health and your fitness. So thought, why not? So I'm gonna have a couple special guests to come work out and teach me some extra moves, because I be knowing some stuff, but it's a lot more I don't know. So we are going to see if I can keep up and get through this workout. Praying I do. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and let me know which moves you're going to be incorporating into your next workout. So let's get right into this video. So I'm back with my special guest today, and we're doing another workout video. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so this is a disclaimer. I don't work out on a regular. It's like maybe 2 or 3 times a week, so he's gonna go easy on me.
Yeah.
So if you are used to working out with a trainer, if you're not, this is a good video for you, because I don't normally do that. So we're gonna go through the basics, get our body right, and start getting into that little transition of doing that. So, you ready?
Let's go.
I love Chris Rich. I love Chris Rich.
Hope you all enjoyed this video today. Hope you got your little work in, got a little sweat, something. And until next time, it's your fashion curator, Ebony.
It's G.
And we signing out.